In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google AdSense, explained in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the essentials of getting your Google AdSense account up and running. AdSense is a fantastic tool provided by Google that allows you to monetize your website or content by displaying ads. This can be an excellent source of income if you're a content creator or website owner. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Google AdSense by opening your web browser and typing in the URL or simply searching for Google AdSense in your search engine. Once you're on the Google AdSense homepage, you'll be prompted to sign in. Click on the Sign In button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the page. If you already have a Google account, use it to log in. If not, you'll need to create one. Having a Google account is a necessary requirement to proceed with AdSense. Once you've signed in, you'll be directed to the AdSense homepage. Here you'll find various options and settings to configure your account. Look for the Enter Information section. This is where you'll input essential details about your site and yourself. Make sure to fill out this section accurately to avoid any issues down the road. Next, click on Ads. This step is important because it's here that you'll decide what types of ads you want to display on your website. You can choose various ad formats and their placements that best suit your site's layout and your audience's preferences. Feel free to experiment with different types to see what works best for you. After that, head over to the Sites section. This is where you add the websites that you want to monetize with AdSense. To do this, simply click on Manage Your Sites and then add the site URL for which you want to display ads. Google will then review your site to ensure it meets AdSense program policies. This process can take a few days, so patience is key here. Having completed these initial steps, you are now well on your way to monetizing your site with Google AdSense. As a final tip, regularly check the performance of your ads in the AdSense dashboard. This can offer insights into how well your ads are doing and what adjustments might be necessary to maximize your revenue. Congratulations! You've now set up your Google AdSense account. With this setup, you can start earning money by displaying relevant ads on your site. Remember, successful monetization with AdSense requires ongoing optimization and a deep understanding of your audience. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your AdSense journey.